In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to WordPress. Easily integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. Whether you're managing a blog, an e-commerce site, or a portfolio, integrating Mailchimp with WordPress can simplify your email marketing efforts and help you grow your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection between the two platforms, enabling you to manage your mailing lists, track campaigns, and engage with your subscribers, all without leaving your WordPress dashboard. Let's get started. If you don't already have a Mailchimp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. First, open your WordPress website in your preferred web browser. Once your site loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login option. This will take you to the Login page where you can access your WordPress account. If you want to make the process quicker, select the Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in using your Google account credentials, saving you the hassle of remembering another username and password. After that, choose the Google account you'd like to use for logging into WordPress. Using a single account for multiple tools not only saves time, but also makes managing your online tools much simpler. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought directly to the WordPress dashboard. This central hub is where you can manage every aspect of your website, from creating content to configuring settings and integrating third-party tools. Next, navigate to the Tools section within the dashboard. This is where you'll find options to adjust your site and connect it to external services. Inside the Tools section, click on Marketing. The marketing area is specifically designed to help you manage integrations and set up campaigns that can engage your audience. Now, locate the Connections area within the Marketing section. This is where WordPress displays a list of all external services that can be integrated with your site. These connections make it possible to link WordPress with platforms like Mailchimp, so you can create a cohesive workflow between the two. Scroll down the list of available services until you find Mailchimp. Once you spot it, click the Connect option right next to it. This will open a new window or prompt asking for your Mailchimp credentials. Simply log in using your Mailchimp account details. This step ensures that the connection between your WordPress site and Mailchimp is secure. If you're already logged into Mailchimp in the same browser, the process might be even quicker, as it may automatically detect your account. After logging in, confirm the connection. This final step activates the integration, allowing you to manage your Mailchimp email campaigns, organize mailing lists, and track campaign performance directly from your WordPress dashboard. It's a powerful way to streamline your workflow and keep everything in one place. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp to your WordPress site. Now you can create and manage email campaigns with ease, all while staying focused on making your website the best it can be. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below so we can help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.